Nene are a family business of nearly 40 years of trading, specialising in storage equipment. Anything that is inside a warehouse, we will supply it and we'll also install it. We do things slightly differently though to maybe our competitors in that we stock hold. We are looking at supplying equipment in good lead times, which is something that the rest of the industry don't tend to do. It's a manufacturing process and the lead times can be up 8, 10, 12 weeks sometimes, but we can supply and deliver within a short space of time.
It was clear from our first engagement with Nene that they're a very forward-thinking company who were continuously looking to improve. They were suffering from pain points with regards to the way that they managed their stock, and there was a lot of manual effort required when they were trying to process orders from customers through to the shop floor. So we looked at these set of requirements that they had and pain points, and it was very clear that SAP Business One could address a number of the problems that they were having.
We'd actually looked at other software systems in the past, and we'd potentially been stung, I think would be the phrase I'll use. We were sold a dud. We were pretty reluctant to look again at other software systems, but when we first met with DCS, they put our mind at rest that not only they could give us a solution we're looking for, but SAP Business One would be the right product for us.
From our first meeting, Nene put together a key project team with a group of people that had a clear vision on how they wanted the system to be implemented. So from day one all the way through to go live, we managed to implement the system within 8 months seamlessly into the business, allowing them to very quickly become used to the new processes and features of the software without impacting the business too heavily.
It freed us up to start developing the rest of our business in other areas that we hadn't really tapped into. It allows us to be able to develop and lead a maintenance contract where we can react in a short space of time. Previously it was a very manual process, but once we brought in SAP Business One, we realised that stock control was so efficient that we could actually improve their efficiencies as well as ours. In the last 12 months, I'm pleased to say that we've actually won a major new contract because of the efficiencies that SAP Business One has been able to give us. Once we established that SAP Business One was the right IT software that we were looking for, it wasn't too difficult to then realise that DCS were the company that we wanted to work alongside with to deliver it into our business. Upon meeting the project manager that came to see us, the research that person had done for us to show that he not only understood the product that he was selling us, but also that he understood our business. The background of different areas as well, from accounting to production to logistics, gave us the peace of mind that we were dealing with the right company.
In the future, Nene are looking to introduce further functionality both in the warehouse and with their field engineers. This would include barcoding and handheld devices on the shop floor and remote access for the guys on the road who are fitting the actual racking.
This is the exciting part for us now, because we've now seen what it could do for our existing business, but now we've really opened our eyes and seen what we can potentially do. We've got all kinds of ideas working with the field agents that we operate, our own factory, our own production, our own warehousing, our own logistics, our own office staff, our accounting. It sounds cliche, but the possibilities really are endless.
I see this very much as a relationship that has only just started and hopefully will continue long into the future.
We're excited to look forward and see how we can develop our own business alongside SAP Business One.